We would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Spin Master, for partnering with us to make this video. I'm Froggy, and today on Unbox Daily, we are checking out something mysterious in Cloud Cove. Hatchimals Mystery. For the first time in Hatchimals history, what's inside the egg is a total mystery. There are 4 possible Hatchimals: a super fluffy bunwee, a pandor, a hedgie hen, or an ellyfly. Who will you hatch? Ooh, it's all shiny. The egg on top of the box has 4 different colors. On the side it says, Hatchimals Mystery, hatch the mystery. There are new species you can hatch and love. You have no idea who's in the egg. It's the ultimate mystery. On the other side it says, the fluffiest flyers. Cloud Cove is so soft, sitting high in the sky, making us fluffy as we twirl, laugh, and fly. Which one will we get? I learn your name. What? On the back of the box, there are some simple instructions. Hold, care for me in my egg, and I'll respond to your touch. Hatch, I can't hatch without you. Your love will bring me to life. And play. Raise me through 3 stages, snuggle my fuzzy fur, and play flying-themed games. There are new games and music. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's take our egg out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, our egg has all of these pretty colors. There is a tips and tricks guide included, and I am going to take some time to look over that before I get started. There are 5 different stages: egg, hatching, baby, toddler, kid. There is a chart that shows you the different eye colors, tells you what they mean, and what to do. All right, let's get started. Remove the locks on the bottom of the egg, and the egg will come to life. It's making all kinds of noise. So to take care of our egg, we're just gonna rub it and show it a little love. Hello, little egg. All right, I think I see the eyes. If you look really close, there are its eyes. What color is that? There it is. Okay, I think that color is pink, which means it's loving. Hold the egg and listen for the heartbeat. I can hear it! Oh, my little egg. My Hatchimal is very happy. I believe that's pink. So we're gonna tilt the egg to play with it, and it makes little noises. You can tap it, and it taps back. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes for our egg to hatch, so we just have to take really good care of it and play with it. Wanna fly? Woo! Oh no, my egg is coughing. Okay, what do we do when the egg is coughing? We have to rub it to comfort it. So let's just rub the little egg until it feels all better. I think it worked. I think it's very happy now. Oh no, its eyes are orange. That means it has the hiccups. So we have to take care of our egg by tapping on it to scare the hiccups away. Oh, there's a new sound. Okay, we got some music playing there. I think it worked. Is it hatching? Something's happening. I hear a tapping sound right there. I think my egg is ready to hatch. Wow, this is so exciting. The eyes are flashing all over the place, and it is literally pecking at the shell. Oh, what do we do? It just stopped. When it pauses, hold the egg. Okay, so let's hold our egg. It's got music. Okay. Are you ready? It's starting to hatch again. Look at that. Any minute now, we're gonna have a brand new Hatchimal. Which one is it gonna be? Will it be bunwee or pandor? Hedgie hen or ellyfly? I'm so excited. Are those rainbow eyes? I see beak! Oh, this is exciting! My egg is hatching! Okay, come on. It's like really fast. There we go. Wow! Come little Hatchimal. You can do it! The mystery is almost over. We're about to see which Hatchimal we have. You can do it, little Hatchimal. Wow, that was a big one. Okay, I think I see some yellow fur in there. I definitely see those rainbow eyes. We are so close to hatching our Hatchimal. Come on, you got it. You're almost there. This is very exciting. Little pieces of the shell are flying off, and I'm getting to see little sneak peeks of my Hatchimal. It stopped pecking, so I think it's time to see our Hatchimal. And it is Pandora. Let's help our new Hatchimal out of the egg. Oh, you're already singing. It just sang a Hatchy birthday song. Right now, my Hatchimal has yellow eyes. So that means that it's curious. You tilt the head or squeeze the belly to interact. So we're gonna squeeze its belly. You like that? Purple eyes. Purple eyes, that means it's hungry, so I have to tilt it so it can eat out of my hand. Was that good? Now we're in the baby stage and we have to take care of our Hatchimal. It's a very chatty little Hatchimal, makes lots of sounds. And we just gotta watch the eyes to know what it's thinking. Oh no, its eyes are green. That means it's sick. So in order to make it feel better, we have to pet the head. Here we go, pet the head. There you go. All better. Our Hatchimal needs a lot of love and attention, and it can move around on a flat surface. You gonna show them? There you go. Look at that little baby. If you listen carefully, it does sound like it's saying some simple words and phrases. Oh, it just gave me a kiss. Oh. We can teach it our name by pressing the belly and pushing down on the head at the same time. Froggy! And now it might say my name while we're playing. Oh, it's hungry. It just said my name. Okay, let me give you something to eat. Much better. We have to take really good care of our Hatchimal so that it can grow to the next stage. I think it's ready. Yay! It's now a toddler. At this stage, our Hatchimal can learn to talk, fly, walk, and dance. Press the belly to pick an activity, and the eyes will change colors. Teal, that means learn to talk. Press and hold the belly to record your voice. Let's craft! Now our Hatchimal is learning new phrases. But we still have to take care of it like we did when it was a baby. What should we do next? Learn to fly! Let's go! Woo! Let's dance! Every time I touch its head, it sings. Absolutely! Let's do it! Craft time! We're gonna make a cloud shelf for our Hatchimal using popsicle sticks, poster board, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Lay down a piece of poster board, take popsicle sticks, and make a design. I'm making a simple hexagon. Carefully trace around it, cut it out. We can leave this white or we can decorate it. I'm gonna cover mine with a cloud paper. I glued it on using a glue stick, then wrapped it over the edge and glued it to the back. Take the popsicle sticks and begin gluing them around the edge, skipping one side each time. After gluing down the first 3, I begin layering them, gluing them only at the corners. After completing one layer, continue gluing and stacking the popsicle sticks. After allowing the glue to dry, stand it up to be a home for your Hatchimal. Oh, look! It's growing up! Our Hatchimal is now a kid! Our Pandora can now play 3 new games. Just press the belly and look for red, green, or orange flashing eyes. Okay, so my Pandora's eyes are flashing red, which means we're gonna play the game Catch the Wind. When I see the eyes are green, I pat the head to speed up the game. Oops! When it's purple, I don't pat. Green, pat. And blue, pat. Yay! Blue, pat. I did it! How'd I do? So we have gone through all of the stages for our Hatchimal, from egg to kid. My little Pandora is super fluffy, and the wings can be expanded. Look at how pretty they are. We have many more activities to learn and games to play. And when it's time to go to sleep, we can place our Hatchimal inside of our cloud shelf until next time. And we can make more shelves for other future Hatchimals. Look at that. It makes a great playpen for our Hatchimal too. Thank you for joining us while we had fun with Hatchimals Mystery. And we would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor Spin Master for providing us with this Hatchimal Mystery. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog. Check out the link in the description box below for more information on where you can get your own Hatchimals Mystery. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. Are you feeling better? Is that better? Oh, you got a cold.